Oil has been hovering around $120 per barrel for over a week, unable to extend the bull run. This means that crude has exhausted its upside potential for now. At the same time, amid increased energy shortage risks, oil prices were also unable to go down. A correction, at least a small one, is what the market needs at this point. Crude prices may well retrace slightly today if the US Federal Reserve hikes rates to 1.75% from 1%. Crude is now overbought, and the rate increase may lead to capital outflows from all markets to the US dollar. So in the next few days, crude may approach the mark of $110 per barrel. Let's now take a look at the price chart of oil. Brent futures soared above $125 per barrel but failed to settle. As the result, Crude retreated to the mark of $120 per barrel. Technically, the market is still at the peak of the ascending cycle. The price is now moving in the range between $120 and $125, and speculation is rising. In theory, an impulsive move from the range may determine the price direction. Gold briefly retraced up to $1,820 from $1,810. Like in the case of oil, the Fed's lifting of interest rates will cause a redistribution of financial flows to the dollar. The outflow of capital will felt across market, including the gold market. The yield of US government bonds will immediately soar after the rate hike, making them a more attractive instrument. The US government debt is to some extent a safe haven instrument, so part of the capital from the gold market will go to the US debt market. A row of technical factors can signal where gold prices will go further. Due to its short-term oversold status, the assets may hit $1,840 per 3 ounce. Otherwise, amid increasing speculative interest, gold may consolidate below the 1,800 level and then hit towards the swing low recorded on May 16th. The Russian ruble is still below 60 against the dollar, and the Central Bank of Russia's decision to cut the benchmark rate was not enough to make the currency weaker. The Russian government admits that the ruble's current rate poses a threat to the national economy. All in all, the Fed's decision will have the same impact on the Russian ruble as on other currencies. Amid quite a large-scale redistribution of the financial flows, the ruble will inevitably weaken, so the dollar may rise above 60 against the ruble at least for a while. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.